This past year at the Crisis Center, we served 158,000 people. That was a 35% increase over the prior year. Of those, about 100,000 people who called us on our 2-in-1 crisis line. And of those, we get about 5,000 calls a year from people who are suicidal. We also served over 300 victims of sexual assault. We helped over 1,800 families who were at risk of losing their homes. We counseled 150 children who had been abused or experienced trauma of some form. We transported 24,000 people who were having a medical or mental health emergency. We were also out at the airport helping travelers who had found themselves distressed. Again, I think it begins to just show the breadth of all the work that we do and all the different kinds of crises that we respond to. So one of the biggest areas that the United Way helps us in is through what are called last resort dollars. Dollars that are highly flexible in how we use them, but they're for people who are in critical need. We had a homeless vet who was sleeping out on the streets, who had defended his country, had some mental health issues, and was trying to get his life back together. He was staying at a local shelter. Come to find out, he came to us and come to find out that he had a job opportunity. In fact, he had been trained as a welder. The problem was, in order for him to go down and test to be a welder, he had to have some work boots, steel-toed work boots. And he had gone everywhere, but nobody had steel-toed work boots or would be willing to pay for them. We went out, took him out shopping, bought him the steel-toed work boots, less than $100. He went down, passed the test, and today is working, living in an apartment. That's the kind of difference that we're able to make because of United. When you need help, call 2-in-1. But when you want to help, give it to the United Way.